Stage 1 and Stage 2 are pressed for flight.
High flow engine purge is enabled. Water deluge is activated.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
They really do go up so fast, with a beautiful liftoff of Electron from the pad at Launch Complex 1. We're now T plus 40 seconds into the mission and approaching max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure, at the 1 minute 9 mark. Max Q is the moment during launch when Electron experiences the highest amount of mechanical stress from the dynamic pressure, which is a function of its velocity and altitude. We'll be coming up on max Q in just a few seconds.
Vehicle past maximum dynamic pressure.
And there's the call that we've successfully cleared max Q. All is looking good with our trajectory, and Electron is performing nominally.
Stage 1 guidance is nominal.
AOS Chatham Station.
We're quickly approaching the next set of milestones in this mission. First up will be main engine cutoff of the 9 Rutherford engines on Electron's first stage. This is when the engines throttle down before the vehicle separates into sections, or what we call stages. Following that, the sole vacuum optimized Rutherford engine on that second stage will fire up to continue the journey to low Earth orbit. We're a few seconds away from those events, and those calls will come in quick succession, so we're going to cross back to mission control now.
Stage separation successful.
Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
And you've seen it on your screen there. We have had a successful MECO, first and second stage separation and ignition of the Rutherford engine on Electron's second stage. Coming up in a few seconds, Electron's fairing will separate. The fairing is the casing at the top of the rocket that protects the satellites as they travel through Earth's atmosphere.
Fairing jettison succeeded.
And
High-voltage battery discharge.
And there they go, the fairing has cleanly separated
Stage
and
2
fallen away from
propulsion
Electron, which is continuing on a nominal trajectory.
Stage 2 guidance is nominal.
Electron's trajectory continues, as you'll often hear us say, nominally, with a current speed of just under 10,000 kilometers per hour and an altitude of about 165 kilometers, and we are now at about 4 minutes into the mission.
Some absolutely stunning views of Earth from Electron's Stage 2 camera. The journey toward low Earth orbit is going smoothly so far, and we're about a minute away from battery hot swap.
Starting throttle down on stage 2.
Stage 2 propulsion remains nominal.
High voltage battery discharge nominal. Approaching hot swap.
As we mentioned before, in the next few moments we'll be coming up to the battery hot swap, a maneuver that's very specific to the Electron rocket as the only launch vehicle flying with battery-powered electric pumps feeding our engines. When the first set of batteries are depleted during launch, we switch to a fresh one to power the engine for the rest of the mission. Sometimes you can see those battery packs fall away after the event, so let's keep an eye on the live feed from Electron and listen into mission control for the call.
Battery jettison confirmed.
Propulsion remains nominal.
Hot swap.
And there we go, that's confirmation that the battery hot swap was performed successfully on Electron, and propulsion continues to look good for the rocket's second stage Rutherford engine. We're just a few minutes away from orbital insertion and kick stage separation on this mission. Electron is currently travelling at over 15,000 kilometres an hour and at an altitude of 276 kilometres above us.
Current altitude is 280 kilometers, speed 4.9 kilometers per second.